Hello YouTube, I am at the Jane Calvin Sanchez Trail in the Cerrillos Hill State Park. I'm not going to walk too far because my battery. I just want to get a little exercise. I need to get some hiking in. This is an uphill climb here in Cerrillos Hills State Park. Wow. I haven't exercised, got not to do it. This is an uphill one. Wow. Yeah, I can feel it, especially in those thighs. Especially, I can feel it in my upper thighs. Just gonna go up here to the top of this hill. So until my battery runs out, whichever comes first. Woo! There's some like pink cactus over there. See that over there? That's a pink cactus. Yeah. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. You can hear me panting. Ooh. But I'm gonna make it. Oh. Hilly, New Mexico. That's it. That is it. Hilly, New Mexico. Be second. Take a breather here. If I can breathe. More cactus. Land of the cactus here in the southwest. See those hills? Cerrillos Hills. Near Cerrillos, New Mexico. Costs $5 per vehicle to get into the park. Since we're going into lockdown tomorrow, this is the last day the parks will be open. So that's why I wanted to do this today. Get my last hike in. Well, I haven't done any state park hiking in a long time. I haven't been here in 2 years, but since everything is shutting down tomorrow, that means the state parks too as well. So I wanted to do this today. So it's pretty though. This pink cactus and pink cactus, the hills. I'm not gonna go much further, but I'm gonna make it to the top here. Climbing the mini Mount Everest of New Mexico. This is not by far the most strenuous hike in New Mexico. We've got serious hikers here. Serious hardcore hikers, bikers. Whew. I wonder what kind of view it is up here. Ooh. Man, it's to the top. Man, it's to the top. It only took me 4 minutes to get to the top here. See that? Cool. Nice. I'm just gonna park myself on this bench over here for a minute. Only had one cigarette this morning. Put on the patch. So now I was gonna be walking today. Yeah. It's hard to go on these little outings with my parents because even my dad, he'll write me these texts he'll sound real encouraging, but then when we get together, it's like he's impatient. He doesn't want me to film for a real long time, and then he doesn't want to hear my frustrations, and I understand. It's not real positive to hear someone's frustrations, but he never really wants to do exactly what I want to do. So we clash. Well, our personalities clash, but enough talk about that. This is pretty. This is real pretty. Yeah, this isn't going to upload till I get back to Santa Fe. So, that was a nice little climb there. Nice little climb. It's peaceful up here, though. So peaceful. So quiet. So dead quiet. Completely quiet. I'm already tasting that that basket of fries and chicken strips or burger when I get back to Santa Fe. Have some lunch, a drive-through. Have another Coke or something. I should be drinking more water, but I need that caffeine. That ice cold Coke tastes awfully good. I'm even overdressed for today. Look at this, I'm wearing like a fleece and I'm hot. I mean, I'm really hot. I'm really burning up in this fleece, especially when I'm out exerting myself. Yeah, there's people out here wearing with no mask. Well, most people are wearing them, but you know, in the little shops and stuff. But there's some people outside by the outdoor dining area in the restaurant that weren't, and there weren't shorts and short sleeve tops, and it's November. It's like the middle. I mean, we're getting near Thanksgiving, and it's just warm. Yeah, if I had good relationships here with people, I mean, I do with like neighbors and stuff, and friends, but family is just too much. And I figured it would be this way when I moved here, but I have to depend on them more with the buses not running. It's just like they have to take me everywhere. It sucks. It really sucks. I don't want to focus on that, because look at this. Look at this. This is nice. Very peaceful. Up in here. Up in here. Up in here. Oh. Just listen. I mean, I don't even hear any birds or anything. I don't hear anything up here. I don't hear anything. You sure are hills up here. Not mountains, but hills. I've heard of if the hills have eyes. I wonder if the hills have ears. Oh, corny, very corny, but if they can hear me filming, if they can hear me loving being in this peaceful, quiet setting on a Sunday afternoon. I hear absolutely nothing except myself dogging. I hear absolutely nothing up here. Cars, traffic, even animal. I can't hear anything. I just can't hear anything. Honestly. That's why I like it. That's why I like it. I don't know if I should. Just want to sit here for a minute. I'd love to hike further, but I'm not up to that yet. Sad, this place. Just everything shutting down. So depressing. You know, it is for so many people. It's just so hard when I can't get the right care and treatment that I need, and it's just, this is my treatment. This is therapeutic for me to sit here in the middle of nowhere up in the hills and listen. Oh, I did hear a train train whistle off in the distance. Oh yeah, there's a train that goes through here, through Cerrillos, the town. It's an old mining town, my dad said. I did some photos at the church, Catholic church, old Catholic church in Cerrillos. Just has some cool sculptures, and it has like a shrine, which is like a little courtyard on the side. Did some pictures there, so I'll do a slideshow of that. So, I wonder if I should go on back down. I don't know. I'm just liking this. I'm really liking this. Really liking it. Well, I don't know. Try this a few minutes more and go on back down. You hear that nothingness. Absolute nothingness. Okay, well, let me see if I can get, that's the trail that goes on down there. More of it. I don't know how far this goes, but, where this trail goes. But, that's just that. Yeah, happy 2 weeks of shutdown. Alright, peace you all. Take care, I love you. Hang in there, and I'll be back soon. Love you.